Hello everyone, I am your host Florian Stallmeyer. Today's topic is the Paraguayan singer and guitarist Luis Alberto del Parana. He is also the best-selling Paraguayan musician who ever lived. Luis Alberto del Parana was born on June 21st, 1926 in Altos, Paraguay as Luis Osmer Mesa. He had 7 sisters and brothers, among them were his brother Rinaldo Meza, who sang with him in his band Los Paraguayos, or in English The Paraguayan. On September 15, 1974, Luis Alberto died from a brain stroke while on tour in London, UK. After this unexpected death of Luis Alberto, his brother Rinaldo Meza had to overtake the leadership of the band. By the way, Luis Alberto named himself after the Parana River, which is a river that flows through Brazil, Argentina and Paraguay. Already from an early age it was clear that Luis Alberto will become an artist. Luis Alberto started his career in Mexico and Central America and formed a band called Trio Los Paraguayos. The 2 other members were the harpist Dino Garcia and singer Agustin Barbosa. The band was funded by the Paraguayan government to bring the beautiful music of Latin America to Europe in form of a cultural mission. The band Trio Los Paraguayos dissolved in the late 1950s, and Luis Alberto and his brother Rinaldo Meza formed the band Los Paraguayos. Immediately, they were signed by Philips Records in Netherlands, where they recorded over 500 songs with great success. Among are the greatest interpretation of the entire Latin American genre. For instance, all-time favorites like Malagueña, Maria Dolores, Guantanamera, La Paloma, La Bamba, and many others. All in all, Luis Alberto del Parana y Los Paraguayos sold more than 30 million records, more than 500,000 tape cassettes, and traveled many times around the globe. I was grown up with his music in my childhood, and he is still to this day my favorite singer of Latin American music, with his beautiful voice and the great artistry of the Spanish guitars and Indian harps, which are performed by the great members of his band. I'm your host Florian Stallmeyer. I hope you have enjoyed this video about Luis Alberto del Parana y Los Paraguayos. Please rate and subscribe to my YouTube channel and buy my music on Amazon and cdbaby.com. You can find the links below. So long, friends, and adios, muchachos.
se vive cerca del cielo. cubre su manto, llevando siempre esta canción. Santa María, Ave María, hoy te canta esta canción.
María Dolores, y en tus ojos en vez de miradas hay rayos de sol. Déjame que te cante, morena, de mis amores, un bolero que ensalza en tu garbo y que es tan español. Olé, olé, te mueves mejor que las olas y tienes la gracia del cielo, la noche en tu pelo, mujer española. Olé, olé, tus ojos son tan pintureros que cuando los miro de cerca, prendido a tu embrujo, soy tu prisionero. Olé, olé, envidia te tienen las flores, pues lleva esencia
Cuando un día la encontré por vez primera, con pasión la saludé de esta manera. Vaya con Dios, mi vida. Vaya con Dios, mi amor. Sé que usted no me miró, pero lo dudo. Que mis ansias comprendió con mi saludo. Vaya con Dios, mi vida. Vaya con Dios, mi amor. El tiempo transcurrió, nos conocimos y nuestro corazón al fin se unió. Pero de aquel querer ya nada queda. Yo qué le voy a hacer si así perdí todo su amor. Sé que un día usted querrá volver conmigo y por eso sin rencor así le digo. Vaya con Dios, mi vida. Vaya con Dios, mi amor. Vaya con Dios, mi amor.
you.